Sup guys, so today we're doing the deadlock, is that?
Master lock.
Master lock for, oh, we're not going to do it for 5 minutes because it could paralyse people. So,
Can it?
Yeah, it can. So we'll do it for like 10 seconds, about half an hour, 30 seconds on.
Half an hour, what?
Aaron? Yeah? Come here, mate. By the way, we're doing it on Aaron because he's a judo master type thing.
Can I do it on Ollie next?
Yeah, you can do it on me next.
So this is what we're doing. Basically, you get them like that, hook it around onto their head.
I did it first.
And then go like that. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. 1.
30 seconds, mate. I sweep my leg from behind, didn't you?
Spin 20 seconds.
Come on. Do this.
I can't.
Come on, Aaron. It's 10 more. If you don't drop the flow,
Time. Now.
Now all of us do it on me.
What? Okay, Aaron, can you film this? Actually, no, we can just pop it like this. Right.
With the energy.
So, that's mine.
Is it recording?
Yeah, still.
Boy, if you want to get some cheap milkshakes, get 4 for £1 from the Biscuit Man in Hereford. Lad.
Okay, no.
Let's go.
Okay. Your arms out. I just want to see if it can see you. Yep, it's cool.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Yeah.
No, yeah. No, yeah. 3, 2.
Oliver, I took your plaster off.
3, 2, 1, go. Seconds.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah.
Tomorrow broke out of it now.
27 seconds. No, he just broke out.
That's because of Yazoo.
Okay, Aaron, come do the thing on me.
No, you're doing it on me.
No, Aaron's doing it on you all.
I think Jack wants to see me break out.
I will not let Jack record.
Here's
I
recording.
would get out of the
I know. Okay, come over here a bit.
So they're still doing the dreadlock. Now it's Ollie and Aaron's turn. Aaron,
3.
He's a judo
I'm
master.
stepping on me.
3,
let's go, lads.
2, 1, go.
Let's go.
Oh, I can't get.
Just I'm gonna spin 30 seconds.
Spin. 10 seconds. Come on, Aaron. You're a judo master, mate.
Ow!
That's out.
No, I still got him.
Oh. Come on, Aaron. Rip his hands out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, 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 beep. Now it is Aaron's turn trying to deadlock. The master lock.
Yes,
me.
you have to, Aaron.
No, you tried to deadlock me, not I tried to deadlock you.
Come on.
Go.
No,
Let's
he's
go.
deadlocking me.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go.
and lads. I lifted Oliver up so much. 10.
I broke out.
No, you haven't. No, you have. Yeah, you did. Right now, it's Aaron deadlifting me.
Come on, Aaron.
No.
Okay, bye, lads. Hope you enjoyed the video. And peace.
Bye.
And peace, lads.